In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make repeat formula in Excel using Lambda. The goal is to create a custom repeating text function that you can reuse in your spreadsheet. This is especially helpful when you want the same logic over and over without rewriting a long formula each time. To start, open Excel and look at your worksheet. Then type text into cell A1, count into B1, and custom repeat into C1. This sets up headers so you can easily see what each column will represent. Take a moment to make sure the text is exactly what you want in each cell. Next, move to the second row, type Excel into cell A2, and type the number 4 into cell B2. You are choosing an example input for your custom function, the text you want to repeat, and how many times you want it to repeat. Make sure the number is entered as a numeric value, not as text, so the formula can work correctly. Now that your example data is in place, you will switch to the Formulas tools. Click the Formulas tab on the top ribbon menu. This tab contains options for creating and managing functions, especially the name manager. Having the right menu open makes the next steps much easier to follow. Inside the Formulas tab, click Name Manager. After that, click the New button inside the Name Manager window. This begins the process of creating a new custom name, which is where your Lambda-based function will live. If you notice the window change, that is normal, and you are in the correct place to enter the function details. With the new name fields open, you will provide the name for your custom function. In the Name Text Input box field, type Repeating. This is the identifier you will use later in your worksheet formulas. Using a clear name like this also helps you remember what the function does. Now you will define what the function actually does. In the Refers to box, type the formula exactly as shown, is lambda text num repeat text and all lam. While you are entering it, pay attention to the punctuation, the commas, the parentheses, and the quotation marks around the space. The lambda part defines the parameters and behavior. The repeat function repeats the combined text and space a specified number of times. After you finish typing the Refers to box, click the OK button to confirm the definition. Then click Close to save your custom function and exit the Name Manager window. At this point, Excel has your new Lambda function ready to use. Next, go to your Results cell. Click cell C2 and type =, repeating A2 B2 into it. This tells Excel to take the text from A2 and the repeat count from B2, then generate the repeated output for you. This is where you connect your example inputs to your new reusable logic. After entering the formula, press the Enter key. Excel will calculate and display the output in C2. You should see a looping text string that repeats the word from A2 the number of times you provided in B2. The function appends a space after the text, so the repeated segments are separated by spaces, which makes the result easier to read. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.